Alright, getting ready to bleed the master. Oh yeah. So we have pre-made bleeder lines already that we use all the time. Makes life way easier. And that's how we do it. You just keep doing it. God, it's already getting hard. Wait a minute. Taking the master cylinder off. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Damn, that gets hot. Master cylinder, because you got this one bled?
Yes.
Ooh. Are you getting attitude with me?
Yes. Hey,
Ooh.
Xander.
All right.
They're going to show you what you need over there.
Okay. Well, I'll show you a video when he has it on.
Good news is it was dry inside.
Yeah. That is good news. Just starting to go out.
Yeah.
Like I said, it wasn't horrible, but especially with running some big old meaty tires, you want as much brakes as possible. Hey, you have to brake a little sooner than usual, okay? That's the gentleman that owns the truck. And my bitch later. I mean...
Don't call Jared a gentleman. Come on now. He works here.
I know, he knows you. Anyways, so that one's going in. Get in, big puppy.
Easier said than done.
I don't know who Japanese people idea was to
I gotta get it in the hole.
and that usually helps.
It's been a while.
That's not what I heard.
Kidding.
I heard Jared. Never mind. I'll leave him alone. He's a newbie.
Jared fucks on the first date. I hope your mom sees this video. Then I'll text her and be like, you should watch that video. Because I said Jared fucks on the first date.
He told us secrets.
Problem is it's I guess it's not a problem, really.
What, the bracket?
No, I mean, Jared going on dates with guys. That's not.
I mean, we don't judge over here.
We don't judge. We don't care. No. Xander is like a car that ran out of ATF. It's got tranny problems.
Am I stopping the video?
No. It's for Jared's dad's truck. It doesn't matter. Not yet. Where the hell? There we go.
All right. Well, when you're done with that, you're gonna have Jared push the brakes again, so pushes the air.
Pushing down, and then I'll undo these and hook these up.
Is that the lens? Okay.
And
Well,
we're ready to rock.
I'll show you a video once that's all done, and I'm gonna have Jared help me put the new compressor on, and then we're gonna put O-rings on the lines, like I said, because they came with the kit.
Throw the dryer on it, and then put the vacuum on it. Maybe we'll vacuum it tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll charge it.
That sounds good. All right, later, guys. It's out.
All right, so here's the old master. We just dumped the old brake fluid out. Look how gross that is.
Yeah, it's got a lot of scum on the side of it, so that's probably wasn't helping.
Nasty. Yeah, the pedal already feels better. We haven't even really bled the system again. I bench bled it, and I had Jared do the hold the pedal trick, which everybody saw in the video. So
yeah,
all right,
did pretty good.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.